on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We roam, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles, this gaggle and goggles is sure to find your home.
Runways clear, prepare for takeoff, dear. We must play our part.
Hark at him, I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chalks away, our air display must start.
We roam on a wild goose chase, and a simple mission position the whereabouts of your heart. We roam
And a mass we're blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found your mom.
But we don't even know where his farm is, dear. How are we gonna plan the route?
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
It's a thankless task, but we ask who can do it as well as we.
We're hoping to solve this problem's tough.
For what could be grander than having
Gander for a while missing ducks. What? I think we've spoken before on the subject of your spectacles, barnacles. Get them checked. Cattails do not advance. One of the things they're most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky! Thought I lost you.
Stand back, or I'll peck.
Ooh, be still my cracking legs. I'm gonna be Goose.
What are you doing here?
What are friends for? I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course I have. She sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Now listen here, Cat. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We'll commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party's over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Silence in the ranks.
Well, maybe I could be of assistance. I can go over to the chute and tell you when they're packing up for the day.
Very well. And no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
You may think it's odd that a squad such as ours can perform this role.
That's not the case. Avoiding the act will search to quack,
And then return to base. Company, present kazoos. We are about to face our most perilous mission to date. I need hardly to tell you the risk involved, or the ultimate price that we may have to pay.
Duckling is not so calm. We won't be back until we found your.
The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns
Are you sure?
on one of my lives.
All right, troops, final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm gonna leave you alone with the duckling, do you? Oh no, puss, you're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.
Our wings are spread.
So don't delay.
Our access